So guys, another new sign goes up down here on Stagman Corner. Check that out guys, that looks well smart. Absolute stunning. I'm not sure whether Frank has actually seen this one yet, but when he does he's going to be well chuffed with it. Still pointing upwards there. Sorry about that guys. Got Sue with us. Say hi Sue.
Hi Sue.
Oh no. They've replaced the blooming lamppost. Wait, no, I don't think they have. They've cleaned it off.
Oh.
Got the Lambo there. That is such a stunning car, guys. God. You know what? I'm gonna set me goal. I hope one day to have a Lambo as well. Even though I can't drive. I can't drive like, but...
When you say that you're going to have a Lambo of your own, do you mean like one of them little Hot Wheels?
Oh, probably. 4 track steering. Okay, that's that bit done. Sorry guys. It's 20 past 3 now and I am trying to see what temperature it is. I'm hoping that one tells us. No, I think that's just a time when. I'll just do what I've done past few days, take a lucky guess up. Say it's your low 20s today. Don't get me wrong, it's hot. It's hot, isn't it, Sue?
Warm on the front, breezy when
yeah.
You're
I mean, me and Sue's climatised to this sort of weather, hence why we're in hot jumpers, as you can see there. But still not too bad, to be honest. I don't know, Sue. How yeah. I don't honestly know what they've done that on that corner, guys.
Because you know, you come round and there's no drop curb and stuff.
Ah. So yeah guys, hope you're all enjoying vid so far. Heading down by the beautiful Los Jones Commodore Hotel. It kinda looks weird, to be honest. Cause I mean, looking at like the bottom half of it, it looks dead sort of fancy, dead nice. Then like you sort of, oh shit, I've lit the wrong guy. You sort of look up the top and they look more like an apartment block than a hotel. And I've only just really kind of noticed that today as well. Just got my foot stuck on something. I don't know. He ain't chasing you. Hang on then, see. It's what they're saying, yeah. Looks all nice on the front then. You sort of like look up at him and it literally looks like an ordinary apartment block sort of thing, but probably guess they're nice. Oh, I know. I don't know him. Probably because I have got my name on my jumper, see.
Of course, yeah, I forgot.
Finally getting some work done to the lights down there once again. I mean,
What they're doing.
I think they're like doing them to the colour changing ones, like you got further up, but the effect don't really work well. I think that also trying to make them a bit more like eco-friendly. Beach is looking semi-busy today. I've said it before recently on a video, and I'll say it again. Don't really seem like a few weeks back when we were having all the bad wind and the storms, does it, guys?
I think we've got another nice week.
Good news then. Another good week forecast. I mean, people leaving in the sea as well, guys. It's so crazy how, like, the matter between weeks can sort of change, if you get what I'm saying. Like, the other week I came down here, it were cold, it were windy, I nearly blew away, it were trying to pour down again, and I were in my big coat, and now I'm walking down here in shorts and a jumper. But I mean, there are people like tops off enjoying the sun, so yeah, it ain't a bad day, is it?
Probably if you were just sat in your sun, it would be nice, but...
Yeah, I mean, what I'd love to do, just have a day chilling. Got a massive column there. I think they are trying to like take some of these columns out, make it a bit more easier to like access on the front.
Didn't I see something, one of them, they were gonna, it used to light up and they were gonna redo it all.
No idea.
It up again, I'm sure I've seen something.
No idea. It's actually got peaceful down there, to be honest.
I am cold, Phil.
Yeah, I know you're cold. You're an old person.
That explains what they're doing with the light.
Yeah, well, I showed it before. They're not making them all sort of colour changing. I'm surprised at how peaceful it is down here, to be fair. We've just about got by Simbad and I've yet to see the potato pecan out there.
They'll be about somewhere.
Of course, the outdoor library seems to be shut for today.
It's a shame because that's nice, Sally.
Yeah, it is a good idea, the outdoor library. Hang on. and I'll talk about it. You can just sit down and read a book or a magazine or something, or even have a game of chess. Like, it's a good thing, and of course, I'll zoom in a tad bit. If you look just here, down from the library, you have the reuse area, which is a good thing actually. So I don't know, maybe you've bought a cheap bucket and spade for your last day on the beach for the kids. You don't want to take it home, just put it in there for someone else to use, sort of stuff. Good idea, ain't it?
Yeah.
Hotel symbol there as well. I really don't know if I want to stay in one of them rooms with the splash pools on the front, because not only can everyone literally see you when you're in the pool, but all pools are connected as well. So like if someone has a piss in one, yeah, it sort of floats on down all the way through the other ones. But if someone's had a bit too much to drink and be sick, you kind of get to just anyhow, guys. I'm not going to go into too much more gruesome details. God, I thought quite far up here now. I'm going to have to check what time it is.
I wouldn't worry too much.
So guys, hope you've liked today's video. Make sure to smash that like, smash the subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Adios.